Lixa is a blockchain-based platform designed as a license exchange for game assets. It enables creators to register their digital assets, such as 3D models, sprites, and audio, under standardized on-chain licensing systems. Through Lixa, licenses are not just legal usage proofs, but programmable digital assets that can be traded, fractionalized, and generate royalties automatically. By combining smart contracts and transparent royalty distribution, Lixa connects creators, license buyers, and investors into a single decentralized ecosystem that is efficient, secure, and fully transparent. When opening Lixa, users are welcomed by the landing page with the tagline License, Fraction, Earn, representing Lixa as a marketplace for game assets with on-chain licensing and programmable royalties. The license market page serves as a place for users to browse and purchase game asset licenses available on the Lixa platform. On this page, assets are displayed based on license categories and asset types, such as 3D models, images, and audio. The primary market page is used to purchase fractional tokens directly from the original asset owner. These tokens represent partial ownership of royalties, with transparent information such as price, supply, and sales progress displayed. The secondary market is used to trade fractional tokens between users at real-time market prices. Unlike the primary market, where tokens are sold directly by the original asset owner, the secondary market enables trading of tokens that are already in circulation. The Create page is used by creators to transform digital assets into on-chain assets that can be traded and licensed on Lixa. The process consists of 3 stages. First, register asset, where creators upload and register their digital assets on the blockchain. Second, fractionalize asset, which splits asset ownership into fractional tokens that can be traded and generate royalties. Third, create license offer, where creators define license types, pricing, duration, and the royalty structure earned from asset usage. The portfolio page is used to manage all assets, licenses, and fractional tokens owned by the user on the Lixa platform. Through this page, users can view registered assets, owned licenses, and fractional holdings with filters based on asset types, such as 3D models, images, and audio. This page provides a centralized overview of the user's ownership and activity within the Lixa ecosystem. The trade history page shows all buy and sell transactions on Lixa that are settled on-chain, allowing users to track their trading activity with full transparency. Now, I'll show you how to add an asset and purchase it on Lixa. First, creators go to the Create page to register a new asset by uploading their digital file and minting it on-chain. After the asset is registered, it can be fractionalized into tokens, allowing shared ownership and royalty distribution. In this step, the creator fractionalizes the asset by splitting its ownership into ERC20 tokens. Here, the creator defines the token name, symbol, total supply, and the price per token. In this final step, the creator creates and publishes a license offer for the registered asset. On this page, the creator defines the license price, license type, and usage rights of the asset. The creator can choose a license type such as non-exclusive, exclusive, or derivative, depending on how the asset can be used by buyers. License presets like in-game commercial, trailer marketing, or edu indie are also available to simplify usage rights configuration. The creator can also set the maximum license supply, license duration, and royalty percentage. Although the duration field is displayed in seconds, it can be interpreted and configured as a daily-based validity period, ensuring that the asset is only usable within the defined time constraints. Once all settings are completed, the creator clicks Publish License Offer to make the license available. The published license will appear on the marketplace and can be purchased by users as an NFT, serving as on-chain proof of license ownership. On the primary market page, users can see a list of available fractional tokens, along with key information such as total supply, token price, and the number of tokens sold. To buy, simply select the desired asset, enter the amount of tokens you want to purchase, and click Buy Fractions. The tokens are purchased directly from the original asset owner. Once the transaction is confirmed, the fractional tokens will be added to the user's portfolio, and the purchase will be recorded on-chain, making it fully transparent and verifiable. Next, I will explain the secondary market and demonstrate how buying and selling transactions work. In the secondary market, users can trade fractional tokens with other users using a real-time order book. Unlike the primary market, transactions here happen between users, not directly from the asset creator. On this page, users can place buy or sell orders by specifying the token amount, price per token, and order expiry. Sell orders allow users to offer their tokens for sale, while buy orders represent demand from other users. Once a buyer places a buy order and it matches a sell order, the transaction enters the pending settlement state. At this stage, the seller needs to click the Settle Wallet button to complete the transaction. The settlement process is executed directly through the seller's wallet to confirm the transfer of tokens and payment. After the settlement is confirmed in the wallet, the transaction is finalized on-chain. The fractional tokens are transferred to the buyer, while the sale proceeds are sent to the seller's wallet. Next, I will demonstrate how to purchase a license through the license market and how royalties can be claimed. Users select the desired asset and view its license details, including the license type, price, and royalty percentage. By clicking the Buy License button, the user purchases the license, which is issued as an NFT as on-chain proof of license ownership. Once the purchase is completed, the license will appear in the portfolio under the License's Own section, allowing ownership to be verified at any time. In addition, users who hold fractional tokens of the asset will earn royalties from every licensed sale. These royalties accumulate automatically and can be viewed in the fractional tokens section of the portfolio. As more users buy and trade fractional tokens, demand for the asset increases. This can drive the price of fractional tokens higher in the market, creating additional potential value for token holders. When royalties become available, users can click Claim Royalty to withdraw their share directly to their wallet. The entire process is transparent and fully recorded on the blockchain. Through this demo, we've seen how Lixa transforms digital game assets into on-chain assets that can be licensed, fractionalized, traded, and monetized transparently. Lixa empowers creators with full control over licensing and royalties, while enabling users and investors to participate through fractional ownership and real-time royalty distribution. With on-chain licensing, transparent markets, and automated royalties, Lixa creates a new ecosystem where digital assets are not just used, but truly owned and valued. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the future of game asset licensing with Lixa.